I hope you guys are doing great. I just wanted to send this out to you to show you how to log in to Google Classroom and Google email so that you guys have an idea how to do that. Both parents, grandparents, who's ever helping you at home. I'm on a regular laptop, but it's basically the same as if you are using a Chromebook or a tablet. So what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to, on my computer, it's the Google Chrome app. I'm going to click on it. Get that out of my way. Okay. I'm already on the Google site. Yours is going to look a little different than mine, and that's okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over here, and I'm not logged in. It says not signed in. Okay? All right. So I'm going to hopefully click on that. I'm going to add. No, that did not do what I wanted to do. So I'm going to come up. Account, sorry. And you're going to add an account. So let's try that again. I'm going to go back and redo it. Okay? This is my waffle. I'm going to go back and I'm going to go to that. Count. Okay. All right. I'm going to go to a Google account. Okay. So I'm going to add another account because you already have an account. Okay. All right. So I'm going to type in. And here we go again. I'm having all sorts of issues today with this. And I'm going to X out of that. 20, 30. There. And you're going to type in your school email address that it will be provided for you. And then I'm going to click Next. Then each of the students will have their own password. Then you click Next. Okay, it's going to come up to a screen that looks like this. All right. You're going to go back to what we call the waffle over here again, and you're going to click on it. Now, this is, in this waffle, it's going to have, you're going to go to your Gmail. That's how you check your Google email. Parents, you're going to log in under your kids' names. So when I send your passwords and everything home, you need to keep a copy of that at home. I will probably send a copy home, one for the binder to keep, one for you to keep at home. So make sure you take that out, put it up someplace that you can keep that. Okay, so this is their email. This is where you need to be checking every day. Okay, any messages to me, I'll try to send reminds as well. Okay, all right. So this is that's how you check their email. All right. Okay. Now, next thing, in this email address, I had sent out a message that says check out our email website. It is in there. Okay. If you click on it, it comes up to our website. If I were you in that email, I would go ahead and bookmark it. If you're in Google, all you got to do is click on that star. Okay. Done. It's already in your email. In this, I'm going to show you, if you scroll down, when students come in the morning, there's going to be a student portal they're going to click on. They're going to fill this out for their lunches. Okay? I go back to that home page. There's a parent portal. Parent portals. Okay? They got student tutorial there to help you figure out Chromebooks, that kind of thing. Okay? X out of that. Link portal. There's links to Accelerated Reader, AR Bookfinder, Epic, Freckle, okay, all the way through there. Students will have passwords to most of these, okay, and it'll be on that sheet I talked about earlier. The contact me information page, and all about Mrs. Garrett page, note to me, information about me. And then on this important information page, there's a spelling list, which it's getting there. I got some little kinks to work out. Cursive writing sheet, remote learning information sheet, that kind of thing. Okay. All right, back to my Google Classroom, Google Mail page. Okay, so that's how you check email. Now, notice back up here there you still have your waffle. Okay, if I click on that and I go to Google Classroom, that's where, slowly but surely, that's where all the, this is where all the assignments are going to be posted. This is what it's going to come up as, because this is, I'm on my, I have the student site, and it's going to say Mrs. Garrett's 3rd grade. So I'm going to click on 3rd grade, and here, the only thing I have here, it says, hey, check out our class website. So again, we have our class website there that you can bookmark if you need to, if you didn't the first time. Okay, I'm going to close those out. And so when I go to post things, they'll show up here, okay? Now, also, this is a way for me to talk to you. This is like kind of an announcement page. When I go to post homework, you're going to click here, okay? Notice there's nothing here, okay? So it's going to come up by date. So on Friday that you will have an assignment. It's going to be a parent sheet for you to fill out, and you'll just get online. They'll be posted here, and it's just an information sheet for you to fill out. So, and then you'll fill it out, and it'll automatically save, and it'll just be sent back to me. And so every day when your child comes home, this is where you need to go, and everything will be posted here. Now, some of the things will be like a link to another site. Some of the things may be like, for example, that we do in class. It may not be there. Some of the homework may actually be in Spelling City, where your students will have to log on and they'll each have an account there, and they will have to log in and complete an activity in Spelling City. And then I get a report saying that your kids did that as well. But it might say, homework for tonight is make sure you log into Spelling City and complete your daily activity. That might be an activity your kids complete. All homework this year will be completed online. The math will be completed online via the iReady. Let me go back to your link portal. The iReady Math. The link is not activated yet, so you'll just click on that. Your kid will log in and complete their math online. There's a Spelling City app, so they'll log in, complete it online. I will say as well as their spelling tests will also be completed online this year. Their reading book will be coming back and forth probably, but their worksheet will be completed online. So what will happen is they'll go to classwork, so they'll log in, they'll come up to this page again, classwork, it'll be listed here, there'll be a worksheet, and then they'll click on that, they'll just type in on the worksheet, and it'll automatically be saved. So I'm going to be honest, it's going to take some learning on your part and some learning on my part, and we'll be practicing in class. And all I ask is for grace and patience on your part, and I will give you grace and patience on both sides. And if anytime you have questions, Remind, you can contact me through Remind. Just go back to the Mrs. Garrett page, or contact me page, sorry. You can email me, Remind app, email. If you need to get a hold of me, Remind is probably the best way during the day. Or you can call and message me. So we're in this together, guys. So if you, anytime, let me know. I know this was brief. It may be a little confusing. Just try playing with it. Emails will be coming out with your kids, with your kids on Friday. Just let me know. Talk to you soon. Bye.